Hi everybody, welcome back. This is an update on my muscular dystrophy awareness group build put on by Scott at Saltwater Scale Models, and I'm doing the polar light snap kit of the 64 Pontiac GTO. It's not too bad of a snap kit, everything seemed to fit together pretty well, and there's a fair bit of detailing that can be done. I made my own spark plug wires with the boots attached and added them onto the kit supplied distributor cap. I've added a bit of rust detail to the mufflers as in previous builds by sponging on some craft acrylics, using some burnt orange, reddish brown, and a bit of yellow, and then giving a black wash over it. To add further detail, I printed off a couple of magazine covers, scaled them down to about a half an inch, printed them off and glued them to a small piece of cardboard. I'll be placing those inside the car to represent the muscle build, having Superman and a hot rod magazine emphasizing a muscle car revival. After doing the bare metal foil and adding the decals, it's almost ready for assembly.